Craving street style rolls at home? Today we're showing you 3 absolute favorites: Paneer Kathi Roll, Chicken Kathi Roll, and a stuffed Frankie Paratha. Let's first start with the Paneer Kathi Roll. First, let's prep our paneer filling. In a bowl, add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and a little oil. Now for the spices, add red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, salt and pepper, and mix everything really well. Now add paneer cubes along with freshly chopped coriander and mint leaves. Give it a good mix so the paneer is nicely coated. Now heat a pan with a tablespoon of oil and cook the paneer until it's slightly done but still soft and juicy. Now don't overcook it, set it aside and let it cool. Now take a leftover chapati, spread some green chutney and layer it with onion rings, capsicum, green chilies and the paneer filling. Now sprinkle some chaat masala, roll it up tightly and your Paneer Kathi Roll is ready. Next up is a classic Chicken Kathi Roll. In a bowl, combine chicken with spices and curd, mix well and let it marinate. Now heat oil in a pan, add sliced onions and cook until golden brown. Now add tomatoes and cook till slightly soft. Now add the marinated chicken and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until fully cooked. Now take it off the heat and let it rest slightly. To assemble, take a roti, spread green chutney, add the chicken filling, onion rings, capsicum, mint leaves and green chilies. Finish it with a sprinkle of chaat masala, wrap it tightly and it's ready to serve hot. Now for something extra indulgent, a stuffed Frankie Paratha. Start by preparing the dough, mix flour with salt, add water and knead into a soft dough. Add a little oil, knead again and let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, heat oil in a pan and cooked onion paste for a couple of minutes. Add marinated chicken and cooked until the masala dries up nicely. Now finish with garam masala and fresh coriander. Now roll out the dough into a circle. Add the chicken filling in the center. Pour in some whisked egg and top with sliced onions, green chilies and chaat masala. Now fold it into a half moon, seal the edges and trim if needed. Cook it on a pan with oil first, both sides for a couple of minutes, then brush with egg and cook again on low heat until golden and crisp. Now once done, take it off the heat and garnish with onions and coriander. And that's it, 3 delicious street-style rolls made right at home. Perfect for lunch, dinner or even a quick snack. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.